Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. As you can see, we have a Moonspell box to open. So Moonspell box comes out with a box, I think every month, and they have a new spell. So it's not a subscription. You go on their website and you purchase one at a time, which I think is great. So whatever spell is calling to you most, that would be most beneficial for your life, you can purchase that. I will link Moonspell box down below. It's $9.99. You get all the items you need to complete a spell. So we're going to unbox this together today, and I think we'll do the spell as well. Let's see what we have. So it comes in this cute little box. It did come in an outer bag for me. So we got this parchment paper here is this considered parchment paper? I don't know, this part of this paper here that you can put like in your grimoire, reference for later use. Really great. And this is a spell to get the job. This spell is to focus your intentions and align them with your actions so you can manifest and land the job that resonates with and supports you. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Yeah, there we go. You can see everything. So the intentions are to bring fulfillment, success, and happiness into your life through a job that aligns with your passions and career goals. So our ingredients, we have all right here. We're just going to take it all out here and then set the box to the side. Emmy, you want to look at this little box? My cat's just right below me. So we have a green candle, tiger's eye, pen and paper, mint, basil, and cinnamon. It comes in this little bag, which you can repurpose as well. So here is our green candle, and here's our mix of herbs here in this little spell jar, which again you can save and repurpose. And then we have our little tiger's eye here, pen and paper. Oops, I just dropped the sticker. And then they sent me a little extra sticker that said thank you. So this box is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored or affiliated. Almost forgot to say that. So thank you, Moonspell Box, for sending this to me. It's always so fun. It gets me inspired to work on my craft. But anyways, let's go back to it. So then we have the ritual all written out in incantation. So the ritual, we light the green candle and place it on our altar or wherever your spells to work, or wherever you allow your spells to work. And then on the piece of paper, you write down the name of the job you are manifesting and any details about that job. Emmy, don't chew the tape. Sorry. This is the bag it came in, and she has a thing for tape. Sorry, girl, I don't mean to take it from you, but I don't feel like it's safe. But anyways, so you want to be specific as possible, then fold the paper towards you. That's important when you want to bring something into your life. If you want to get something away from your life, you fold it out. And you place a tiger's eye on top of it. Visualize yourself, the job, your commute, what you wear, task you complete, and how it makes you feel. See the happiness, fulfillment, and prosperity it brings you. I love that they are really descriptive with the rituals. Visualization is so important, and they give you examples on how to visualize you at your job, which is so great. And then you hold your hands over the folded paper and repeat the incantation to get the job. And then you allow it to burn completely. And you can keep the tiger's eye and folded paper on your altar as a reminder of your intentions and manifestation, and repeat the visualization as needed. So the last one I did was in February, and it was about calling in love. And I put that, I described everything on a piece of paper. You guys can watch that video if you haven't seen it already. And I put that along with the rose quartz we got on my altar. So I've been on some dates. Maybe that love is coming into my life soon. We shall see, but I'm sure that helps. And I love the reminder to repeat the visualization as needed. That's really helpful. So let's get started. Let's do it. So yeah, you get everything you need. They even send you a pen. I always like just add certain things from home you may have. Like it's not necessary, but I like to clean my space. So right now I'm doing this working on my tarot table, which by the way, I have a tarot channel, Kitty Rising. I'll link it down below. Please check it out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I just grabbed a new stick of Palo Santo because my other one's just like this little nub and it's hard to light now. So I like to use Palo Santo to cleanse. And you don't need to buy anything. You can just do like sound cleanse. Maybe clap, or you don't really have to do anything at all. Sorry, let me get this going. but I like to cleanse the space, especially because I do readings right here. Other people's energy and stuff could be around, even though I do like to cleanse before and after each reading. It's always nice to cleanse. And I like Palo Santo because it clears out negative energy and replaces it with positive vibes. And it smells so freaking good. Maybe you can use sage, whatever you like. I love it. It smells so good. Okay. Now, the only thing you'll need from home is something to light your candle with, which I'm pretty sure everyone has. So light the green candle and place it on your altar. Okay, let's light it. I love that it's green. I have a green lighter. All right. And then on the piece of paper, you can write down the name of the job I am manifesting and any details about that job. Be specific as possible. So I think what I'm thinking is I really want to grow my tarot channel, and I would like to be a successful YouTuber with over 100,000 subscribers. I'm going to write successful tarot YouTuber with over 100,000 subscribers. And I want to also like increase my tarot readings like individually, which I usually find people through my tarot channel, which is nice. Let's say and 1 to 3 private readings per day. I was like thinking, I'm like, that might even be a lot. I usually try and have a goal of like 5 a week or something, but 1 to 3 private readings per day, that would be great. Can handle that. And what else would I want to do? Sorry, I don't want to spend too much time on this, but also at the same time I do, because I'm doing this for real with you. Thousand view per video, viral videos. And I want to write, people get so much value from my content, because I don't want it just to be about views. I want people to actually get benefit from, I want to make an impact and positive change and help through my readings. So yeah, you don't have to do this about a specific like job, like working at a specific place. You can do this about like starting your own business, so this would be like my tarot business. So now that we filled all that out, I'm gonna fold it towards me, because again, I want to bring this into my life. I know sometimes I fold it like 3 times, but this just says to fold it. I'm just gonna do it anyways. A lot of times doing things in 3s. I don't know. Do you guys do that? I don't follow any like rigid things. Let's say, so I just fold it 3 times, and then we will place the tiger's eye on top of it. Maybe I won't do that because that's probably why the paper is too small. Okay, place the tiger's eye on top of it and sprinkle the herbs around it. Oh, okay, yeah, I want some more space for that. Sorry. See? Real life. Yeah, that'll get more space. I want to smell it. Oh my god. Mint, basil, and cinnamon. This smells so good. So let's sprinkle all around it. All right. Now I'm going to spend a moment visualizing it. I like to do this already, visualize getting my YouTube plaque. And seeing, like, my little, like, you can see my little circle, like where it says my username, like Kitty Rising, or on this channel, Kitty's Boxes, and then it'll say the amount of subscribers next to it. So I see the 100K next to it. So I like to visualize that. What I wear, I can wear sweatpants if I want to. Task I complete 1 to 3 tarot readings a day. I like to do about 4 to 5 tarot readings, pick a cards per week. It makes me feel really good. I feel like I'm in the flow state when I do it. I'm like speaking out my visualizations to you, but when I do tarot readings, I do really feel like I'm in the flow state. Time just goes by and it feels good. That's how you know something's right for you, right? I feel fulfilled, especially when I know I'm helping other people. And I want to see some more cash money coming in so I can make money doing what I love and not stressing. Yes. Okay, so I'm just going to take a moment in silence just quickly to visualize that. All right. Now hold your hands over the folded paper and repeat. I'm like doing this weird because I want to be able to read it. And repeat the incantation to get the job. Gold and green, do my will. My need for a better job fulfill. Find the job that aligns with me, bringing fulfillment and prosperity. Keep my intentions clear and true, giving me strength and focus to see this through. I love that incantation. Okay. And then you allow the candle to burn out completely and keep the tiger's eye and folded paper on your altar as a reminder of your intentions and manifestation. And again, repeat the visualization as needed. I love that. So thank you guys for doing that with me. I know I like to describe what I'm thinking, what I'm doing, just to show you an example, I guess. But of course, you make it your own when you're doing this spell. So I'm going to link Moonspell box down below. Again, you can get this box, and they have some past boxes on their website as well. And I do have a playlist for each of the boxes I open on this channel. So you can check that out, see other boxes. Excuse me. And yeah, thank you again for being here. Thank you, Moonspell Box, for sending this to me. And if you want to help me make my dreams come true, you can check out my tarot channel below if you haven't already. Thank you in advance. I love you guys so much. And also, please be sure to subscribe to this channel if you like unboxings. And like this video if you enjoy boxes like this. And yeah, do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.